Weather. One thing you cannot change for an adventure. Sometimes all you can do is sit back and enjoy the show. Hey everybody, welcome to Off-Road 801. We're going to Hollywood. Well, Little Hollywood. That's what they call the Kanab area. Well, the region is Little Hollywood. Lots of films made right here in this part of Utah. All the way from Old West shows to sci-fi movies like Gunsmoke, Planet of the Apes, Transformers, and the list goes on.
Like, no, we're not waiting around any longer.
Alright, we're cruising around up Johnson Canyon, looking for a movie set, looking for some lost gold. We'll see how today goes. Do you remember Gunsmoke? 635 episodes were filmed here, and many of the outdoor scenes were filmed in Johnson Canyon. This is considered the largest movie set constructed in the Kanab area. It can only be viewed from the road due to the safety concerns of the old buildings and the state of disrepairs. We're on the search for some treasure, some lost Aztec gold, rumored to be buried in the mountains up here. I don't think we're going to find it, but we're going to go look. During the 16th century, 800 Aztec warriors carried King Montezuma's gold from Mexico City to the U.S. to hide it from the Spanish conquistadors. Some believe Kanab is where the treasure is hidden. Hundreds of people have explored the area searching for the treasure. But beware, historians say the Aztecs killed each other on the spot so that their spirits could protect the gold. In 1914, Freddie Crystal walked down Main Street in Kanab with a treasure map in his hand. He claimed this map would lead to the lost treasure of Montezuma. Locals looked at the map and pointed him in the direction of Johnson Canyon. Freddie spent several years searching the area until one day he found steps carved into a cliff with 3 tunnels above these steps. Freddy needed help, so he went back to town, gathered some help, with the promise of the share of the treasure. After a few months of digging and no treasure, most of Freddy's help gave up. Freddy spent several more years searching for the treasure. Before Freddy vanished from Kanab, he said the tunnels in Johnson Canyon served as a temporary hiding spot for the treasure. So he claimed he never found the treasure and left the area. The big question is, did Freddy find the treasure and leave? Or is the treasure still out there, waiting to be found? No luck so far on those mines. We're gonna keep looking for a little bit. We drove all the way up to the top of the canyon. The road got real muddy and snowy, so we turned around. We're coming back down the canyon. We're gonna look for them mines again, see what we can see. If we don't find nothing, we're gonna go find something else. It's adventure day. We must adventure. We came back for one more look to see if we could find the tunnels. Okay, it looks like we found some tunnels. These could be the ones Freddy found. This looks like it would be an all-day adventure. By the time we get around the wash and up to the tunnels, it would be dark. So put it on the list, we'll be back. Now we are trying our luck at trying to make it to another Hollywood set built on top of a ghost town. Bummer, we got rejected. The sign says not to come on this road if it's wet. It started out dry, but now that we're going down into the valley, it's real muddy. I'm sliding all over the place. We're gonna turn around. I'll go show you a couple other things I know about, but I've never seen. Let's go find them. We'll have to come back to this ghost town later. back to Kanab, north on Highway 89 for a while. We finally made it somewhere. Well, dang it, today's been a day of failures. We did manage to see the old movie set of Gunsmoke. We didn't find any Aztec gold. And we didn't make it to the ghost town of Berea. So, I'm here at the belly of the dragon because I'm pretty sure I could find this one. So I brought you here. It's a man-made tunnel underneath the road, but it goes through some red rock, and it looks pretty cool. So let's go check it out. Let's go in there. Okay, I gotta go slow. I did not bring a flashlight. I went down. So like I said, I'm trying to go slow so I don't fall down. Well, sweet. That was fun. We actually didn't fail or fall. But now we gotta go back through. Let's go back through. Yeah, I wish I could see. Sort of just feeling around with my feet. Oh, that's where I tripped. Almost tripped again. I'm in the belly of the dragon. Oh no. He's looking the other way. Like, what are you guys doing? What are you doing? Oh, you guys are cute. Fighting over the same piece of sagebrush, huh? I didn't notice the other one hide behind the bush.
He's so little.
Got a couple domesticated deer in their enclosure. Just kidding. But they are hanging out with the horses. Another one just came out of the bushes. There it is. We are going to leave you with some more weather we had in the last week. Enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.